What's going on? Michael Petty here. It's raining today. I like rainy days. So I just came outside just to cut a quick video. A lot of people don't like rainy days. I do like rainy days. I don't mind rainy days. It's calming. It's relaxing for me. What I want to do in this video is talk about how to close more sales in your business. And the way you close more sales is you have to set yourself apart from everybody else. What makes a person want to join you over somebody else? If you realize all these big leaders, they have something to offer. They got something to offer their teammates to have them join them. So that's why I went off and I created my copy and paste file. That's free for the world, right? Once you opt in to get some information, you're gonna have access to that. I got my copy and paste ads. These are simple ads you post on social media that will actually draw attention. It works. It's working for me. People coming in, hey, what about this? How do I do that? They ask questions. And I also got my 101 bonus training. This is a few videos giving insights on building a business, how the top earners making money. That's what I give away. Depending on the level that you join me at in my business, I got different team bonuses based on the levels you decide to partner with me at. And those will be shared in the email you're going to receive from me. So I like to use very simple strategies that's going to help build a business. Because one thing that I notice is that a lot of people share their strategies, but what strategy actually works for the new person? I couldn't find that information. So I said, you know what? Let me sit down. Let me put in the work. Let me find what actually works. Let me see what, even if a new person start today, what strategies can they use today to start getting sales, start getting traction, right? Start getting attention, start making sales. If you decide to call me or text me or email me or whatever the case may be, I'm going to actually take you through a simple, easy process to show how simple it can be. People overcomplicate it. So let's stop overcomplicating this make money online thing. Let's use simple strategies. Let's make it easy. Easy, yes. And let's put money in your pocket. $100 all the way up to $2,000 in instant commissions. No waiting on your money like most of these MLM companies. But if you're looking to earn a residual income, we have that too with our marketing system that we use. You're going to get all that information. Go ahead and click the link that's down in your description. It's going to take you directly to my primary business opportunity. You're going to get all my contact information. Send me an email, write me, call me, however you want to get in contact with me. And I'm going to take you through the simple process. It's very simple and it's easy. My name is Michael Petty. Looking forward to speaking with you. See you in the next video.